So let's go. If I'm again back to the open my Outlook account, see, I'm going to the Outlook. You can see right now it's not directly open any kind of profile. Okay, so let's go. Before you creating your a login with your account, we need to do some settings with the Outlook. Okay, which kind of setting? Let me show you. We need to go first our Gmail account. Okay, whatever you are using, use Chrome, go your Gmail account. Suppose I'm using Skyvision account. My account is already logged in my to the Chrome. Okay, I already attached it with my Chrome browser, my email account. So when I'm clicking on to the Gmail, it will be directly open my Gmail only. Okay, you can see Gmail, and just let me open that. So you can see my Gmail is already open. So what we need to do, we need to go to the first settings. Okay, we need to do some settings enable. Okay, go to the settings. It will be open. Let's take a time. See, settings will open. After that, we have the another option. What? See all settings. Click over here. See all settings. It's take a time. Now I am in settings. Okay. After that, you can see general, label, inbox, accounts, inputs. These all are my tab. We need to directly go to the forwarding and POP and the IMAP. We need to directly go over here. Click over here. Now, always we need to do three things enable. What that three step? We need to first pop-up download will be a enable. Okay, you can see enable a pop-up of or mail. Okay, means what? You can see right now my POP is enabled. So I did not need to go again. But when you are going to the first time, you need to enable that POP is enabled. Okay. Now you need to do a second step, a status of IMAP is enabled. Okay. This one you can see right now my is enabled. So I already clicked it. And the third one, auto xplug on immediately updates the server. Okay. We need to three things we need to on. First is what? Enable POP for all the mail. Second is what? Enable IMAP. And the auto xplug on expunge on immediately updated the server. Okay, three things when we are correcting. After that, we can connect our Gmail ID with the Outlook. If suppose these three things are not enabled, we cannot able to attach with that. Now you are want to ask what exactly the POP and the IMAP. Let's see on internet. What is a full form POP and IMAP? Okay, you can see POP full form, Post Office Protocol. Okay, it is used to pull the mail from the receiver mail server. That's called what? POP, Post Office Protocol. Okay, and the IMSP, let me show IMSP, Internet Message Access Protocol. It is a protocol for receiving mails that allow users to access the mails from a different device. Okay, you getting? Now let's go. Let me close that. So I already enable POP also. I already enable IMAP also. And the last one what? Auto Xplug on. Okay, I done a three step done. After that, we can close that. Okay. Now after a closing, you need to directly go to the Outlook. Okay, write your profile name, means write any name whatever you want. Okay, suppose I am Rohit, so I am writing my name. After say okay. Okay, now this just want to the search account. Now log in with your email ID and If suppose they are will ask a password, write the password. If suppose they cannot ask password, so there is no issue. Now just log in with your account, okay, and it will be directly open. Let's check. See over here. So this one is not my account. Let me choose my another one account. This one, Rohit Sky Vision College. Okay, you can see I just taken my account. After that, say next. Okay, means continue. I want to go to the next step one ahead. Now, after that, you can see IMAP Rohit Sky Vision College account. I want to choose this one, clicking and just say done. Now you can see my account is linked with the our Outlook account. Okay. Now you can see Outlook why we are using for mailing purpose. If suppose I want to send anyone mail, if suppose I want to arrange meeting, if suppose I want to book appointment, if suppose I want to schedule any calendar, if suppose I want to schedule any, if suppose I want to give anyone task, if I want to assign anyone task, that's why we are using Outlook. Okay. Now let's go. So you can see it's right now synchronized with my inbox. Inbox means what? You know, in Gmail, whatever I am receiving mails, it's come to the inbox, right? Same as it is over here also in Outlook, we are receiving all emails into the inbox only. Okay, every professionals are using a Outlook only. Okay, now let's go understand how exactly is the surfaces. Now you can see a top inbox. Inbox means what? Where I can receive all the messages, right? After that, you can see over here what they rotate. A Rohit Sky Vision College @gmail.com means which account I am logged in with the Outlook account, means which account I means which Gmail account I attach with the Outlook. Okay, this is that. After that, what? Outlook, which product I am using, and product activation field means I cannot pay for that product, right? After that, again over here we have the minimize button, maximize button, and the cross window means a close window button. Now you can see in the top over here we have the files, homes, send and receive, folders, view, and help. These are what? These are your tabs, right? When you are clicking on tab, you can see the down bottom ribbon will be a change, right? And inside of ribbon you have the groups, right? New groups, deletes, response, outstep, these on, etc., right? After that, you can see our middle part. This all middle part is divided into a, it's a divided into a three parts. You can see first started from over here to the down of over here. Okay, this is first part, again to the middle part, and the last one is over here. I can see the all our mail. Okay, means I can read over here mail. Let's say suppose I am going to the this account. Okay, I'm going this account inbox. When I'm clicking on inbox, you can see I have only the one, two, three mails are there. Okay, now when you are clicking on particular mail, you can read over here what exactly message someone sent it to you. Okay, now you're getting. See, this email is messaged as automatically by a Microsoft Outlook while testing a settings from your personal account. Means just they are checking is it your Outlook working or not. Okay, they are sending a message to the Gmail, right? And you can see what is the first message I have. 17 time means a 5 o'clock I received this message. What? Microsoft Outlook account. Even you can go to the your when you are going to the your Chrome account means your Gmail account, you can see over there also. Let me show. Gmail, going over here. Okay, you can see same message. Means this Gmail and my Outlook, it's attached together. Whatever I receive over here, I can receive there also. Okay, now let me say close. Now after that, over here you already say. Now after that, into the bottom, you can see we have the first. This also we have the a four part divided. Okay, first is called I can say my messages. How many messages?